Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So, this morning, so bright. This morning, I'm here to make an honest review about my banana bread. And to also give you some tips to apply while baking your banana bread so you can get the best banana bread ever. So if you watched my video where I baked this banana bread, you will notice I was a bit disappointed with the outcome of the bread at the time I finished baking it. But to my surprise, I woke up this morning to meet the bread in a quite different condition, and I was like, wow, what happened? So what I have to say about this. I think banana bread takes some time to it will take some time to get that desired results you want. The bread is so sweet. Don't worry, I'll give you my review in steps, tips. I'll list it. So firstly, I want to let you know that the texture of this bread is not too different from that of a cake. It has the same texture with cake. If you're eating it, it just feels like you're eating cake. I'm going to be honest with you. Then secondly, this bread is very delicious. It's so sweet. So if you're going to be taking this with a beverage, it's advisable that you don't add sugar. Maybe if you're taking it with normal Nigerian tea, Milo and milk, don't add sugar and reduce the quantity of your Milo. And thirdly, the banana that I used to bake this was overripe and very sweet. So if I'm baking this bread again, I would reduce the amount of sugar that I used. I will reduce it because I think there is plenty sugar in it. I would reduce it if I'm baking the bread next time with such sweet banana. So fourthly, if you're using a micro oven, heat is coming from all sides. The top of my banana bread got burnt. It got burnt, guys. It got burnt. I was not happy. So if I'm baking this bread next time, I am surely going to use an aluminium foil to cover the top, so it will get the adequate heat it needs instead of getting burnt. So 5, I used a lot of toppings. You can see I used plenty toppings. I would have just sprinkled a little on top. I used plenty toppings, but it's my first time. It wasn't that bad. And the 6th tip that I have to give you is that I am never ever going to use this baking pan. You see what it did to my bread? Look, so bad. So I saw foreign pans that I'm going to use in case if I'm baking this bread next time, so I won't have to use this baking pan anymore. But overall, the bread is very, very fluffy, delicious. If you eat this alone or with a drink, it's so good. If you eat it with akara, bean cake, it will go just fine. And if you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button. Support your girl. This will help my channel's growth a lot. So right now, I'm going to enjoy this banana bread with my Milo and big milk to be so fine. But this is really good, really very fine. Try it. and leave your comments on the comment section. Bye.